Hello, I'll be showing you today how you will set up your blog posts on Blogger and how you can post the blogs that we will be writing about throughout the year and how to do that. So you can start and you can type in blogger.com and it'll come up with this. And if you already have a blog, that's perfect. You can just hit sign in and you can get started with that. Or if you needed to create a blog, like most of you do, I'm sure, we can go to create your blog right here. That, and then you will choose a Google account, and I would recommend your school account that you have. So you go there, you sign in, and then here you need a title for your blog. So when people click on your blog, what will be or go to your blog, what will be the title of your blog? For this, you can just, I'll put my name, so Cagney's blog right there. And then the address is this when they're typing in how can they pull up your thing. So it will always go .blogspot.com. So whatever you wanted right there. And I'm just going to put the same thing, Cagney's blog .blogspot.com. Since I already have that, it probably won't let me do it, so you can do whatever. But you can see like jack.blogspot.com. You can add that there. And then underneath it, you can pick a theme for your blog, and you can change this at any time that you want, and they have more themes once you actually create your blog, so you can go later, so you can pick whatever one you want. And then you can click this button right here, Create Blog. I'm just going to hit cancel so I can show you guys my blog I already have created. Okay, so this will be what you will see. These are blogs that I already have. You guys probably won't have any here, but you will soon as the year goes on. So if you wanted to create a post, you go right here to New Post. You click on that. Post title is right here. This is what you want this individual blog post to be titled. So I can just do tutorial for this. And then down here, this is where you'll start writing your blog for this blog post. So you can start here with the font. I'll have all you guys do Times New Roman. And then this is the sizing, and then normal for most blog posts. And you can also do headings right here. We'll do normal. You can do bold, underline, everything right there. So you can start typing. So I'll just do hello. Welcome to the tutorial. Okay. And then like if you wanted to see this is like what a heading would be, hello, but we're just going to do normal, things like that. Then right here, let's say you wanted to do a blog post earlier, but you wanted to post it right on the due date. You can do schedule. Automatic means once you hit publish, it'll publish right away on the site, or you can set a date and time. So let's say you wanted to do it for this Thursday, let's say at 8 a.m. You can click done, and then at Thursday at 8 a.m. it'll upload onto your blog. And we'll just go back to automatic. And then down here, options, you'll have reader comments. It'll say allow or don't allow. For you guys, I'll have you put allow so your classmates can comment on your blogs. So let's say you wanted to see before you published it what it would look like on your blog. You go up here to the right hand corner and click preview. It'll open a new tab and it'll say Cagney's blog, and this will show you everything. So this is the blog post that we are working on right now. So I'll say tutorial. That is where you put the post title, and then it'll always have the date right underneath it and your blog post, and then it'll have where you can enter comments down below. Okay, and I'll always have preview right here to show you. So then you can go back to the next tab, and then if you want to publish it right now, you can hit publish. But let's say you just wanted to work on it a little bit at a time, so you want to come back to it tomorrow, let's say. And you can click save right here, and it'll save it, and you can come back to it. So save, perfect, and then you can close. And then it'll say draft right here, so you know you have not uploaded it yet. Then the next thing is, let's say you just wanted to see your blog, you want to see all your blog posts and how the theme looks, so you can click view blog right here. I'll come up a new tab and you can see. So you can see I have all my blog posts already on right there. And then you can search for a blog, or on the left hand side you can see the person whose blog it is, which would be yours in this case. So you can go visit profile. You can see all about the author. In this case it'll be you. And then if you want to edit your own profile, you can go to edit profile right here. And then you have all these things. So you can show the privacy, the identity, you can upload a profile picture, your gender, location, all these things. You can add additional information about yourself right here. And just more to let anyone who goes to your blog know who the author is and who's writing all these blogs and everything like that. So then you can go back to this page that's in another tab if you want. And then let's say you want to keep this blog, but you maybe want a personal blog. You don't want just that we're going to be doing our assignments on, and you want to make a new one just for yourself or for everyone else. You can click new blog like that. And once again, you'll see this box pop up, and you can create a new blog under the same email, and you can just always switch back and forth. Or let's say a different class will have you do something using this. You can keep 2 blogs or multiple blogs at the same time. So that is all for right now that I will be showing you. Or if you want to change your theme, I'll go right here. And then you can see all these themes are right here. So that'll be all that we will be doing for Blogger. Thanks so much for watching.